So guys, today, Saturday the 1st of August, I removed the residue from the rust part in here, in the front. All this white is just a powder, what is left from the rust. Also here in the bottom. That's the last I have to do here. And then it's clean. So I founding my components to brush and so on, and then I starting up. Hello, here I cleaning up after I used Fabricating rust remover with a steel brush on air pressure. So it's keeping the steel very nice and clean and free from rust, and make it ready to prepare it for further preparation with prepping with grounding and painting and so on and so on. So we will see how it looks like when I'm done with it, and I think I could be very pleased with it. Okay, see you on the next one and on the next section, and wish you a nice day. Okay, bye. So I have to take some places here and there and in there with steel brush. So I do that now. Hello, after I started the second sequence with preparing with Fabricating rust protection. I started the second procedure with Fabricating rust protection or remover. I had to remove the rest of the rust again with steel brush, and see how much rust were left on those places where it's turned out black. And if it turns out black, then it's possible rust beneath the black issues again. And then you have to reuse the same procedure and do it once again for B. So it's done. It's clean metal here and there and there, and I hope also on the side beneath can look so. I have to do some more cleaning up in here, and then it's so far okay, because I rented a dry ice cleaner in next week, and then I take all the car beneath and anywhere, everywhere, and clean it totally up so that I can clean car before I can paint it again. Okay, bye. So there is still some rust everywhere. It's turning black. There's still rust beneath on the underside. So I've also prepared it once more with Fabricating, and also here on the upside. You see, it's also turning black there, and that means it's still rust. Okay, I can stay in 20 by 30 minutes, and then it's okay, I think. So I can take it away tomorrow. So guys, hello. Today I made this piece of metal. It's for the airflow. This is original, but it's very rusty. for the airflow in there, I take it with me, so I show you. Try to fit in the old panel what I did remove for a long time ago, and where I made a new patch to fit in for the airflow into the air filter. And so far I can see it's fitting very well, and I'm in for welding it in place. Okay, thank you. So up to the new panel. So here I make a little tool to bend those sides to get around, and it is a lot more stronger. So I have to take that again. So, the first small piece here I welded in place. I used to use there, adjust it here, and then I get this piece from there and out, and then all the piece from here over there. So I finished here, and now I have just to close this part down to the bottom and on the back side. Then is this ready, and I can continue with welding in here in the dog leg. So guys, this piece I welded in today is ready now, and also here I have to shine it up, and so tomorrow, but it's okay again for the wall board to come in there. So that's for today. So tomorrow I will take my knit here and so on, and I have also to do the other side. I'll go around. Oh, I have also to do this piece here. It's also gone, and this part is ready. So that's it. have a nice false. It's quite easy. Nice. So guys, the welding of the hole in the A-pillar is done. I welded in a new patch and it seems to fix very well, and I'm very pleased with it. So we're going on to continue to the next sequence, and stay tuned and get forward. Okay, thank you, bye. So exactly. So I made the first spot welds, and So, the welding is done. I just want to grind it down and make it even and smooth. So, I'm very pleased with this little piece. I welded in today and form it today. It's a little metal work and I'm pleased with myself. Okay. Look for grind it down. What's it? Noise alert! So, I welded in the metal pads in here till the air filter connection. I made these metal pads earlier, but today I found out I welded it in and I'm done with it, so it's also okay. Here I made also a little round circle. I made a bend so it's more stiff and more stable. So they're going around because I want also to show you what I did ready yesterday. This piece I welded in yesterday and it's seems perfect, and it's no holes anymore and no rust, so I'm pleased with it. And so now I have also to go on the left side here and weld in and close the hole here and check out this piece here for rust beneath, and maybe I have to drill out the welding tacks so I getting up the floor in here, and looks how bad it's the connection under it beneath. So that's for later. Bye. So I did try it out and it looks like it's fitting very well. The air intake to the air filter was coming in here and out there, so it fits very well, so I'm pleased with it. Bye. So here are the pieces I made. This one comes in here, blue welded in there. This one we welded in there, and this one is the cover, comes over it like so. So that I have to do tomorrow. Bye. So I prepared it, removed the rust, and so on both sides, here and there. So I prepared this Ferrobet rust remover, and the metal patches I punched holes and prepared it for rust with zinc spray. So afterwards I can weld the end. So the first patch is welded here and here. Now I take the second one, what's going in there, in here. So it's done, these two, and now I have to do the last one, what's covering in here, like this way. So I've just to grind away a part of this here, and that's done. So I have some grinding to do in here to even it out. So show you.